2 a.m. is a great time to film elevators. Here we are at O'Hare Elevator Center 2, the parking elevators. I believe parking center 2 through 5 is identical, and then 1 and 6 are slightly different.
Pedestrian corridor to terminals 1, 2, and 3.
Ooh, cabinet's open. I've never seen that. Where's the emergency light? I don't know. Anyway, up to 6. I like these custom Adams panels. The hexagonal. Whoa. Yeah, these are Miprom, all right. Oh, there we go. It's like, I was about to say,
Elevator
stuck
session
in.
2, going down.
Before I was interrupted, I was about to say, if I was stuck in the airport garage elevators at 2 in the morning, I would not have been happy. Anyway, here we can get a good view of the other elevator centers. There's another one there. I just farted, but I don't know if you can hear that on video. How's it going? Not much. Yeah, I went up the wrong elevator. What? I was on 5, but I accidentally hit 6.
Oh, yeah, this is 6 closed.
Yeah, 6 is closed. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
My bad.
You
Have a good one. Not sure if the camera's here for me, or if you just have them pop up. Anyway, just look at this panel. These are some childhood elevators of mine. Look at this interesting layout. 5 in this bank, and they're not even lengths apart. Anyway, that's it.